Hi everyone, my name is Amanda. I am the integrative dietitian at the M Clinic, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about batch cooking. So I love batch cooking because it really makes meals a lot easier. With meal prepping, a lot of times we have to think about what we're going to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and kind of have a menu planned. With batch cooking, it's all about just making different ingredients from different food categories so that you can actually make a complete meal. It's kind of like having your own chipotle bar at your own home, where you kind of like just select a bunch of different ingredients that make a complete meal and then you call it a day. For example, I have here some roasted carrots, Brussels sprouts, some pureed cauliflower, and some red peppers that are already pre-washed, pre-cut, and these are all great veggies that I could just add into my dishes. Then for my proteins, I have some quinoa, some chickpeas, some sardines, and again, those will be the proteins that I could choose from. I also have these red lentil pastas, and you just boil some water. It takes like 5 minutes. It's going to have the proteins, the fiber, the carbohydrates, and then have some avocados that would just add really great fats and also a great topping for any dish. So let's say it's tonight, I get home from work, I'm really tired, I just want an easy, quick, healthy meal. I'll grab maybe some quinoa, grab some Brussels sprouts, maybe some of the roasted carrots, and slice some avocados, maybe pour some olive oil and salt on for a nice dressing, and then I have myself a meal. So again, batch cooking is a really simple way to get good nutrients, well-balanced meals, and satiating meals without having to put a lot of effort at the end of the day. And if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at the M Clinic, and thanks for watching.